try to show you how to create this dissected cube, okay? First, we're going to start with creating a cube, 4 feet by 4 feet by 4 feet, 4 feet, comma 4 feet, enter, and then of course we're going to pull that up 4 feet, pull that up 4 feet. Now my box is already in this X-ray mode. If it is not, then what you need to do is you'll have that entire box selected. You'll go to View, you'll go to the face style, and you'll go and select X-ray. Okay, select the entire box, go to View, go to face style, and check X-ray. Okay, that will allow you to see through it. Now, of course, I unchecked it, so let me do it so you'll see it again. View, okay, face style, X-ray. That allows you to see through. So you want to position the box in such a way that you could easily start drawing the diagonals using the pencil. From corner to corner, okay, from corner to corner, we draw the diagonals of the box, which will allow us to see the 6 pyramids that are inside of that, okay? So any way you pivot this around, we should be able to see the 6 pyramids inside. The tricky part now comes when we want to try to pull them out. And so that is going to be a process that's going to be, it might be a little aggravating at times, so just bear with me. I might not pull all 6 of them out, but I give you the suggestion on how to do it. Okay, so here's how we proceed with that. First off, in order to pull them out, you got to get into them, which means we have to eliminate, delete, see each face of the cube. I'm only going to delete one face at a time. I'll delete that face, which allows me to see inside. Now I need to grab the 6 triangular faces of that pyramid. I need to grab the 6 triangular faces of that pyramid. To simultaneously grab, I use the Shift key. So this is plus minus symbol there, tells me I have the Shift key to press. Enter, I'm shifting and selecting, trying to select just the 6 faces. See there, I'm not selecting a face. I have selected an edge. I don't want that, so I got to start it over again. Select it, select it, select it, and select it. Okay, good. I've got that one face. I'm going to right-click. The problem is I right-clicked and I lost my selection. Okay, so I go back and I try that again. Right-click, make a group. There it is as a group. Okay. Grab your multi-directional arrow and pull it out. Start pulling at this so that it says on the axis. It says on the axis there. And while it's on the axis, type in 4 feet that you want to pull that out. And there you have it. Okay? And just right-click to deselect it so it doesn't move around on you, okay? Like it just did there. Control Z. All right? And now, okay, I'm going to go and I'm going to grab my bucket and I'm going to paint that. I'll paint it red. So here we go. That one is painted red. Now, okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try to pull out another one of those pyramids. So turn this thing around. I'm going to try to pull out the one on the other side here. Again, what we have to do is we have to delete the square face so we can get in there and select the 4 faces of the pyramid. I think I angled it just right here. Shift, select the 4 faces. See that? I got an edge. It's highlighted in blue. I don't want that. So I start again, shift so that you're just pulling out the 4 faces. Okay. And now right click to make a group. Okay. And now 4 directional arrow to pull that group out along the red axis. Along the red axis. Very careful. Very careful. Wants to be on the red axis, okay? Doesn't seem to want to cooperate with me here. But, okay, you're just going to tell it. If it doesn't come straight out, I'm not going to worry about it, okay? I'm going to try it again. Grab it here, okay? I'm going to try it. It's on the red axis there, okay? On the red axis, pull out 4 feet. Pull out 4 feet, enter. There we go. Okay, I deselected it while I could. Okay, then I'm going to go grab my paint bucket and give that a different color, okay? And that's basically the process we're going to go through, okay? I'll paint that yellow, okay? Doesn't really matter what color it is. Now you can see I pulled out my 2 of my pyramids. Now in order to pull out the other 4, I can only pull out 2 at a time. What I have to do now is basically, okay, the same thing over again, but I've got to go and I've got to delete this cube, because when I go to try to pull the one up top or the one down below, it looks like there's a base there to grab, but it probably is going to end up giving you trouble. So my suggestion, and I'm not going to go through this whole process because I think you can. For every 2 that you pull out, the same way as we did, I'm going to come back, I'm going to delete this cube, and I'm just going to pull out 2 more. Okay, so I'll delete this cube, I'll rebuild the cube again, and then I'll pull out the top and the bottom face, just like I did these 2. And then I'll have to delete that again and rebuild it so I can pull out the one in the front and in the back, okay? So that's the process we want to go through, and of course we know ultimately what we want it to look like with the 6 pyramids pulled out, okay? So there it is.